Are you a content creator? Are you a new content creator? Have you been on YouTube for so long and meeting up to your 4,000 watch hour has been giving you a whole lot of headache? What is your challenge when it comes to YouTube as a whole? 4,000 watch hour. Very easy for people to get this their 1,000 first subscribers, but getting a whole lot of 4,000 watch hour has been a very big issue on the street of YouTube. In today's video, I just want to tell you 3 things that can help you achieve that your 4,000 watch hour. And if you can listen to me and watch these videos from beginning to the end, trust me, this video is actually going to help you to achieve your 4,000 watch hour. Things I'll be saying here are things that I actually use that also helped me during the process of my 4,000 watch hour. So I am not going to be biased. I'm just going to be plain as it is, bringing it down to your table so that at the end of the day, you are going to come back with good reviews. You guys know that I love seeing reviews on my channel. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Sonia and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. Hi guys, hope you guys are good, hope you guys are fine. If this is the first time tuning in, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with all of that being said, let's just go into my step 1. Step 1 thing that can actually help you attain that your 4,000 watch hour is live stream. I said it a whole lot of time. Even if you're regular on my live stream, you will know that I've just been emphasizing more of live streams because live stream is actually what actually helped me to get my 4,000 watch hour. You can go into my channel, check my live streams, and check my back then when I started 3 years ago. You are going to be seeing a lot of live streams there. And when I mean live stream, you don't necessarily mean to put your face there for hours, for 3 hours, 5 hours. No. All you need to do is just be consistent with your live stream. You can do what we call silent live stream or a faceless live stream. Because a lot of people have the issue of they cannot just sit down there from morning till night or trying to like run live stream over and over again. Guys, live stream can help you achieve your 4,000 watch hour. And there's this good part that is actually running now, which is the restream live stream, where you have to restream 1 or 2 clips. If you don't know about it, go and do some research about it. I'll also do some more research about it and bring it down to your table here. But a lot of people that have been using this restream live stream have been able to give me a lot of feedback saying, oh, Sonia, this live stream thing is actually working, especially during the restream live stream. It enabled me to gather a lot of watch hours coming directly from my live stream. Live stream was actually what helped me monetize on YouTube for 6 months. I remember I was posting video, yes, I was consistent, but the watch hour was not coming as expected because my audience at that time was very, very low. So when I heard about live stream, I heard about silent live stream or faceless live stream, where people can actually call it, I decided to bump into doing this live stream. And this thing actually helped me. For those of you that don't know how to do this silent live stream, in case you don't want to put out your face there, which is a faceless live stream, you can just go ahead and just on your live stream. And once you on your live stream, you're going to set it up to anything you want to set it. During that time, I remember I would just face it because I was working then. I would just face the camera to my office and then go and do whatever I want to do. And the live stream will keep reading over and over, and I'll be gathering watch hours from there. I have a whole lot of people coming with good feedbacks and reviews from the live stream I've actually recommended them to do. And for you to note, before you can be able to do live stream, you need to have 50 subscribers. So if you don't have up to 50 subscribers, you have not verified your YouTube channel, you cannot do live stream. So ensure that you verify your YouTube channel. Use the process I said that you can get your 1,000 subscribers to get your 50 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers, and then start doing silent live stream. Start doing any kind of live stream you feel you can do. The good part I also love about live stream is that you will get a lot of time to like communicate to your audience, to like ask them what they want and the rest of that. You will get opportunity to like talk to them. But if you want to do the silent live stream, what I advise you to do is to do a maximum of 10 hours and a minimum of 1 hour. So I don't want you to exceed 10 hours. And this good part I love about this restream they are talking about is you can restream from different social media platforms. So take, for example, you want to monetize your Facebook page and then you want to monetize your YouTube channel. You can use this restream to restream on these 2 platforms and then gather watch hour from the both sides. Isn't this interesting? Let's move to number 2, how you can get your 4,000 watch hour. Is bringing content that has value. Let's just be honest. If a content doesn't have value, it will not help you even have the views, talk more of the watch hour, talk more of even the subscribers. You will be suffering for these 3 things. If you're fond of doing vlogs or you're fond of doing anything, check in between your videos. Are those things bringing value? If those videos are to pop up on your FYP, will you be able to watch such kind of videos? Will you be able to love them and then get what you want to get from them? YouTube has gone beyond creating just content, okay? YouTube is now at that point whereby it is those ones that are willing to stand, that can be able to like achieve what they actually want. If you want to get your 4,000 watch hour in no time, you need to start doing things that will bring value to your audience. Things that will bring value to your audience. Add up, spicing up your vlogs, spicing up your editing skills. Make sure anything you're bringing to the table is what people can actually watch for a period of 1 minute to 4 minutes, 1 minute to 3 minutes. Take, for example, you have like 10-minute vlog in your channel and people are not even able to watch up to 3 minutes. Obviously, you will not be making any watch hour from that video. I'll use this lady for you as an example. This lady do silent vlog, and for the silent vlog that she has been doing, she has been using just one caption. You can go into her channel to see more of what she has been doing and how she has been able to spike the audience retention. Every time I see this lady popped up on my screen, I notice that she usually do not talk. All she just do is do this vlog, show you the things you need to see, and at the end of the day, you get to see a lot of comments on her channel. This lady has just less than 70,000 subscribers. She's on 60-something thousand subscribers, but this lady usually have a lot of views, more than even people that are over 100 or 1 million subscribers using these same vlogs. There are a lot of strategies now that people are adopting, and the moment you realize that as a new content creator, the better for you to utilize what is actually working. If you see that this particular thing, you've been doing this style of vlog, for example, and it's not working for you, it is time for you to switch for another certain kind of vlog. What is this person doing that is making this person's own to be so sweet and the rest of that? See, that time or that period whereby anything you upload on YouTube can actually get views, that time has passed. Okay, it has worked for those people that it has worked for. For those of us that are new on this YouTube street and want to actually attain the height, we must learn to bring value. We must learn to edit or bring spicing up our channel to ensure that everything is actually going to work as planned. You can also use my channel for example. I've been able to struggle for a whole lot of period, and it's at this period, just within a space of how many weeks, I've been able to gather over 16,000 watch hour. That's a whole lot. This is what people are just looking for 4,000 watch hour to have. But why do all of this spike comes in my channel at this point? Because I realized that the only thing people need right now is value. Nobody needs what we actually devalue them. Nobody wants to watch what will not bring money to their table. Nobody wants to watch what will not actually encourage them. Nobody wants to watch what will actually put them behind the scene. So if your content is fond of not bringing value on this YouTube street, getting that your 4,000 watch hour will be very, very difficult for you. And I don't want that to be difficult for you. Learn from this thing I've said and then know what you are going to do. Which brings me to the third thing that can actually give you your 4,000 watch hour in no time. Consistency. There is nothing we are going to be talking about if consistency is not involved. I've watched a lot of YouTubers doing reviews why they were able to stay long before getting monetized on YouTube. And I noticed that a lot of things that has been setting them back is lack of consistency. Some of them that I've watched actually said, oh, they go for YouTube for like a period of 1 year and then come back for a period of how many years to start again. And at the end of the day, they're not even getting it. What am I saying? If you are consistent on YouTube, the journey that will actually take you 1 year can take you just less than 2 months. It can take you just less than 1 week. It can take you just less than 10 days. If I can get this watch hour within a period of 2 weeks, within a period of 3 weeks, within a period of 1 month, why do you think that you can actually not achieve that? You just need to be a lot more consistent on your channel and know what you're actually gaming out for. I always tell you, YouTube is a place for everybody, except if you decide that YouTube is not a place for you. That is why at the end of the day, you're not going to make it big time out here. But I want you as my subscribers to actually be successful, and that is why I am bringing these tips for you. If you have been able to be consistent on your YouTube channel, if you've been able to bring content that had value on your YouTube channel, if you have been able to do this silent or live stream that I'm talking about, be it faceless or with your face and every other stuff, trust me, getting all of these things that you're actually looking for concerning your 4,000 watch hour will not be a problem to you. If you have any question you want to ask me in the comment section, let me know, because I love it more when we interact in the comment section. If you've not subscribed to my channel as at this point, what are you waiting for? Please do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be simple, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I just want to hear that testimony that you've gotten your 4,000 watch hour. So just drop that testimony for me. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.